Raise your hand if you thought the Indian passport had limited travel options. After extensive research and expert consultation, we have discovered a surprising number of countries you can visit on an Indian passport, either visa-free or with a visa on arrival or through an easy e-visa process. Yes, we have compiled this data from official government websites across the globe. The total number of countries, well, is above 40. Oh, no, 50. Nah, it's well above 70. Before we dive in, make sure to share this video with every Indian traveler you know. This guide is a must for anyone with wanderlust. Here's a breakdown by region. We have these countries in Asia, these in Middle East and Greater Arabia and North Africa. Surprisingly, even these countries in Europe, and so many of them in Central America and Caribbean. A few of them in South America, and so many of them in Sub-Saharan Africa. You have to check them out. So now you know you have got plenty of options to travel outside India. Of course, without facing the visa hassle, let's cover some interesting details about visa from India to countries like Malaysia, Thailand and Seychelles. First, get started with Malaysia. For Indians, Malaysia has always been a budget-friendly international destination. Yes, one reason is because of the hassle-free visa process. For instance, you can apply for an e-visa to Malaysia. It's an online visa that you can apply for without visiting an embassy. It's valid for 30 days and is single entry only. Processing time is usually 1 to 2 working days. The next option is visa on arrival, but there is a catch here. This is only valid for Indian travelers from Thailand, Singapore or Indonesia, and it's only valid for 7 days. And it can be obtained at entry points like Kuala Lumpur International Airport and several other vital airports or ports. Lastly, we have the single entry visa, which is the basic visa that can be applied for through an embassy and has validity for 30 years. No matter whichever visa type you apply for, you still get a chance to explore diverse destinations. For instance, Kuala Lumpur for an extravagant metropolis appeal, head towards Langkawi and Penang for fantastic beach excursions, explore cultural sites in Georgetown and more. The next international destination from India has to be Thailand. And why wouldn't it be? It's a tropical paradise for beach lovers, those who like to experience vibrant nightlife, do island hopping, perform thrilling water sports and of course, book affordable India to Thailand flights. Although you might be aware of Thailand visa requirements, still, let us refresh your memory with useful information. The first and the most convenient yet followed option for an Indian traveler is getting a Thailand visa on arrival. You can quickly get a visa on arrival at any of the airports in Bangkok, Phuket, Chiang Mai, Krabi and more. Remember, the validity of the visa on arrival is only 15 days. If you would like to stay beyond 15 days, we would prefer you apply for a tourist visa valid for 60 days, which can be applied through the Thailand Embassy in India. Next on the list, we have Seychelles. You might be left wondering where exactly this place is. Well, Seychelles is located in the Indian Ocean off the eastern coast of Africa. It is approximately 1,000 miles away from the mainland of Africa, especially Somalia. Recently, Seychelles has become a new favorite for travelers, especially from India, to explore stunning landscape full of breathtaking beaches, greenery, cultural diversity, luxury accommodation, and certainly direct flights from India. If you plan to travel to Seychelles from India, then there is a good news for you. Seychelles is a visa-free destination for Indians. Yes, you heard that right. If you're planning a short getaway to this amazing tropical region, then you need not apply for a visa and explore for up to 30 days. That's it for today, folks. We hope that this information is useful for you to plan your next trip and book your tickets quickly. TBO Academy loves to share important travel details with you and make your exploration all the way simpler. So, stay tuned with us, and meanwhile, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more information. Press that bell notification.